Hey there, the team over at Comfytemp sent over this 2-pack of their hand and wrist gel packs for me to try. Here's what I think of them and here's how to use them. These gel packs have some really good features that I like. First up, I like that they can be used hot or cold. If you're using them cold, you want to pop it in the freezer for about an hour or so. If you're using it hot, it goes in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Then you just double check and make sure it's a good temperature for you. Directions on how to do that are right inside the gel pack. So I really like that I don't have to hunt down directions because it's right on the product. The product is held on by Velcro, and that's the only piece of Velcro. And what I really like is that all of that, the Velcro is going to stick to. So I don't have to hunt down the other side of this trying to find out where I can stick it, because this is going to stick anywhere on this. Let me show you how easy it is to put on. You got the thumb hole here. You're just gonna put your thumb through. It goes under the palm. Then it goes around your wrist. And there you go. So tighten it, loosen it as needed. Got your palm covered, wrist covered. Easy to use. Directions are on it. Comes as a 2-pack. Wear one, wear two. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if these gel packs are a good fit for you.